Violence erupted during a demolition operation. City Mayor Sara Duterte repeatedly punched the sheriff of the Davao Regional Trial Court, Abe Andres, during the demolition. Duterte had asked for a 2-hour extension of the deadline to demolish shanties, but demolition teams pushed through with their operation. This then led to a scuffle between the residents and demolition teams, prompting a fuming Mayor Duterte to attack the sheriff.
Kontrolado man unta ma'am, niya na may order ang sheriff na i-continue.
Sa sheriff.
Ipagita proteksyon na lang namong.
Dali, sir.
Over 200 houses were set to be demolished in the area based on a court order issued on June 23rd. We'll bring you more details as they become available. Meantime, from DXAB Davao